Qianhui.
What's up, Fluffy?
Hey, do you know how our cockatiels find food?
What do you mean, Fluffy?
We always help our partners who need most first. They gave me a brilliant idea.
Wait, are you saying that you want to apply Parrot behavior to battery management?
Where did you get it?
Hello, I'm Qianhui. I'm doing PhD in the University of Auckland in New Zealand.
This is the best lecture lab in our university.
Together with my supervisors, Professor Abhisek and Professor Akshya, we want to solve the issue in battery equalization in multi-microgrid.
Let's use our Parrot's brain.
Fluffy, let's see how parrots choose their food.
Look, we always see the biggest seeds first.
This sort isn't by size.
This way we can fill up faster.
Exactly the same. Our algorithm chooses balancing Parrot packs with the greatest SOC differences. After that, we will deal with the battery packs one by one. Okay, let's see our simulation results.
Data speaks!
This is our method. Look at these curves. This is the traditional curves. Same equalization achieved, but our battery retains much more energy.
Saving energy means saving money!
Although it is a little bit slower than the traditional one. We got more stable voltage, current, SOC statement, and faster response time. More stable voltage, faster response time.
That is the cleverness of a cockatiel.
Parrot stress reduced by half.
Has batteries.
Fast, energy saving, and stable. This is the power of the biological wisdom. We have made 3 major breakthroughs. Biological behavior modeling replaces mathematical optimization. Adaptive priority replaces fixed threshold. Collaboration and mutual assistance replace centralized control. This is the power of nature.
Bringing a new paradigm to distributed energy storage system and multi-microgrid.
Thank you IEEE IES and IES SOK for this opportunity!